Hey guys, it's me, Caitlin Suda. Shut the fuck up. Anyway,
hey bitches, hey guys and gals and non-binary pals. So I'm gonna go swimming and I really don't want to, but we're gonna do it anyways because we have to get out of the fucking house and I'm fucking greasy. I don't really know what to do. I don't know if any of my shit even fucking like fits me anymore, but we can try. Okay, see you in the next clip. What's up, sluts? So I just finished taking a shower, but I'm gonna make myself a fucking sandwich right now because I'm hungry and I'm kind of weak. So, oh shit. So this is my fit. I don't really give a fuck because I'm just going swimming. So that's it. That's it. I'm gonna eat now. So, hey guys, we're on our way down and I'm not gonna go swimming anymore, even though I have my shit on because it's supposed to be back in an hour and 30 minutes. So, we have to make content.
no, Caitlin, don't.
I'm running.
At the party, I'm with the gang.
Oh shit. Hee. You girls can't even compare to my athletic ability. Look at the flowers. So aesthetic. Look at this shit. Just letting y'all know, it's windy and 90 degrees outside, so them humid winds be hitting different. I feel like Laylee Pond's doing those faces, doing this shit. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, get into it! The fuck? Good morning, we're back. We're downtown. There's a lot of people. Okay. I don't know anymore, but we just chilling. Oh, there he is. I'm just chilling here, so I don't want to go swimming. But oh well. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna go swimming. Hold up, bitch! I mean, you start living once you step out of your comfort zone, so might as well. Oh well. Hey yo, just finished swimming. Now I gotta go home because like fun times. So it's my brother's birthday, so that's probably why. You guys probably don't give two fucking shits, but I lost my ring when I was swimming. I love that fucking ring, and it was free. It was like off-brand. It was an off-brand, like, really expensive ring. So I'm really sad that I can't flex on people anymore, but I have the bracelet. Oh my god, wait. Yeah, this shit don't fit me, so I'm currently sopping fucking wet. Well, hope you enjoyed this clip or whatever the fuck. I don't even know what this shit is. There'll probably be another one attached to it, so enjoy that one.
Happy birthday. Love me, hate me so much.
Period, bitch.
Okay, hey, what's up? My light does that sometimes. I don't know what the fuck going on, but I'm gonna be eating for you, bitch. I'm gonna be eating for you today. We have some chicken tenders. Yo. Oh my! What a coincidence. It was a coincidence, by the way. My light has been flickering for the past, like, 3 months. But anyways, also that sign, Black Lives Matter. That was an orb. I'm pretty sure it's a particle of dust. But, Black Lives Matter. No justice, no peace. What the f? Okay, that was dust. Anyways, we're gonna be eating chicken tenders for you guys today. Them bitches hot! These are really fucking good. They're kind of salty. Also, it is currently like 10 o'clock. I have to pee, holy shit. Bitch! I can't. This is just so good. This is extremely irrelevant to the video, But I made a slogan for Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Pussy fingering good. Period. Like, I can't stay quiet. I need to get my hair on my face. I ain't looking pretty for no video. Unless it's porn. Can you guys even see me? I don't even know, bro. I'm just trying to get the food in there. Okay. I just want to talk about, like, I may have some Republican subscribers, which that's alright. There's nothing wrong with that, because that's your opinion. But I just want to point out how Donald Trump is turning into a motherfucking dictator. He ain't a dictator, because this is a democracy, alright? This motherfucker threatened martial law. Bro, we're finna get educated real quick. So if y'all do not know what martial law is, it is basically, it suspends all your rights. Also, he threatened militarizing the country, and then having, I think it was Muslims wear, like, something, I don't know, like something to prove or like show that they're Muslim or something around, I don't even know. But let me just explain why I'm talking about this.
Motherfuckers turned into Hitler.
Apart from the 6 million Jews,
What?
girl. I bet. What you doing with the what? Bunker boy. Oh my god. I don't know, I just find that shit kind of funny. Cause this is a democracy. This ain't no fucking dictatorship, bruh. Like, why are you trying to change it? Anyways, vote blue. Even though they're both rapists, like, just choose the lesser of the two evils. Yeah. I ain't even that political of a person. Well, that's a lie. But here's the thing. Trump supporters be like, we on the right side of history. It's repeating itself. This is an open note test. You was failing it. Bitch, just fucking like read the notebook. Read the room. I don't know, man, but these motherfucking chicken strips are like good as hell. Oh, that bitch is hot. This shit is so good. So good. So fucking good. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat since like 7.
Oh, yo!
Can we talk about, what's her name? Avani. I thought her name was Aviana. Avani or some shit like that. She's that girl who's like, oh my god, elite TikTok, hee hee hee. Like, girl, we don't want you. Go home, please. I don't know if I'm really fucking loud because I can't hear myself. So we're just gonna whisper in this bitch. You hear that? Sorry, you hear that? Oh my god. Sorry guys, I'm kinda ugly. It's Anna. 1 second. I have to reply to her. I thought I saw something move. I'm freaking out, sorry. I'm really fucking hungry. Like, I still am hungry. Oh my god. Something actually moved. Girl, I don't know what's going on. Some crazy shit's about to happen. Oh my god, dude, I'm kind of weak. I might be overheating or some shit. I'm in this fucking hoodie, bruh. This might be haunted. This house might be haunted. Dude, speaking of hauntings, I keep getting tarot card readings on my fucking For You page. I just gotta get the ketchup on. It's okay. I keep getting tarot card readings on my fucking For You page. And I'm like, am I on Witch Talk? That's amazing. I love it there. It's so fucking cool. And then the fucking readings are like, your ex is coming back to you. And I'm like, no. I mean, he could if he wanted to. I'm not taking him back. I'll be friends with him. Whatever. Oh my god. It was my brother's birthday. So we have cake. good. I just have to speak. Oh my god!
I just want to what?
I'm making a mukbang. You scared the shit out of me. I might just like pass out. Sorry, I might just like pass out. I don't know. I'm really fucking weak. Am I shaking? Oh my god. Ew. Sorry. I'm gonna get cake. Okay. I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay, well, I'm back. This doesn't look appetizing, but it's so fucking good. It's... Holy shit. Is there like bugs or some shit? Like dust? I don't even know. This is Reese's. I don't know, cake. And it's good as fuck. Oh my god, my teeth hurt. You know what's funny? When I get scared, when I go into my basement, I just start singing. I don't know where this came from, but I just started singing fucking Hamilton. Like, bitch, I haven't listened to that shit in like 200 years. Like, girl, I was like, Hamilton. I have to pee so badly. Oh my god, I literally... I don't remember doing it. Sorry. Sorry. The freak came out in me. Foreigner. I'm gonna piss myself. Oh my god. So I've been working out and shit. That's it. This is it. But like, I be working out and shit. And I'm like, oh my god, I used to be like a little stick. And now I'm like, I'm a stick with like a little lump on it. Like a mushroom or some shit. This is literally so good. I be eating most of it because like, I'm just a good sister and shit. I almost just said brother. Like, I'm at the point where I just act like a fucking man. That I literally almost identify myself as one. Pick me. Choose me. Love me. Anyways, I just sounded like a pick-me girl. This, I love tearing my cake apart. That's it. I'm just tired. I'm just so fucking tired. I want to sleep. You know what? I'm gonna start an actual sleep schedule. I think I'm gonna go to bed after this and then wake up at like 10 and then like do some shit. I don't fucking know what I'll do, but I just want to like do some shit and not be a lazy piece of shit. Because I heard somewhere, it's probably TikTok, if you sleep more, you're more sad. So I'm like, I'm a happy bitch. I don't need sleep. I'm gonna be a good person. I'm gonna make a sleep schedule. I'm gonna be healthy. Not the healthy part. I feel like no one should ever hold a grudge. I'm really just hopping from topic to topic. I'm really sorry. Well, you can get revenge and shit like that. I mean, that's like the only time where it's good, you know, like if someone like killed your fucking dog or some shit, go ahead, shoot him. I don't give a fuck. It's revenge. If there's something else like that's going on or some shit, like the drama or like a friend or some shit, it's like, nah. I feel like Debbie Ryan.
Can you do it? And I was like, oh.
Let's, for example, if you have a friend and y'all are just like not going at it, it's pointless. It's pointless to be mad. It's pointless to hold a grudge, you know? Because it's like, it's just going to set you back and it's just going to be, it's going to make you a negative person. I don't need that. My train of thought is like, ugh, I'm really tired and I gotta pee and I keep hearing shit. So, Cardi, take me to Pluto. Look, I finished it. I'm really full now, and I'm probably gonna fucking throw up. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed me getting fat. See you later. Totally on the fucking contrary, but when I was in the fucking bathroom just a few seconds ago, a gust of wind went on my ass. Can you shut the fuck up? Sorry, this is my water bottle. A gust of wind went up my ass, and I low-key think it's the ghost. The motherfucking quarantine horny phase is over.